Chapter 18 Agriculture. Human beings need money to fulfill their needs and to live a dignified life. To earn money, they have to work. The work they do to earn money is called their occupation. There are numerous occupations in this world that people pursue. These occupations have been grouped into three broad categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary activities refer to extraction and production of natural resources from the environment. Agriculture, animal rearing, mining, and fishing are examples of primary activities. Secondary activities refer to processing of the primary products to make them more useful. All manufacturing activities are part of secondary occupations. Tertiary activities refer to providing services to society. Doctors, engineers, teachers, drivers, and plumbers are examples of people engaged in tertiary activities. Types of farming. On the basis of geographical conditions, demand of the products, labor, and level of technology, farming can be classified into the following main types. Subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is mainly practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. In this type of farming, the farmer uses primitive methods to produce a variety of crops. He does not look into the suitability of the soil for the cultivation of those crops. The labor is provided by the members of the farmer's family. Shifting cultivation. In shifting cultivation, the land is cleared by cutting and burning bushes and trees. The farming methods are primitive. Crops like yam, maize, cassava, and potatoes are mostly grown. After about 2 to 3 years, the soil loses its fertility and becomes unproductive. Then the farmer shifts to another part of the forest. This method is also called slash and burn agriculture. Nomadic herding. People who move in search of pastures for their domesticated animals are known as nomadic herders. Their seasonal movement with livestock uphill during summer and downhill during winter in search of pastures is called transhumance. Intensive farming. In intensive farming, the farmer tries to get the maximum possible output from a small plot of land. The farmer uses simple tools and abundant human labor. Rice is the most important crop grown. Other crops cultivated are wheat, maize, sugarcane, pulses, and oil seeds. Commercial farming. When farming or herding is done for commercial purposes, it is called commercial farming. The farms are generally large in size and the investments are high. The farmers try to keep the cost of production as low as possible. Extensive farming. In the regions where the size of farmlands is very big, extensive farming is practiced. In this type of farming, the farm work is done by machines. 1 or 2 commercial crops are generally grown. The most important crops grown are wheat and maize. Mixed farming. In mixed farming, livestock are reared along with crop farming. Fodder crops are cultivated along with food crops. Cattle rearing for milk and meat is an important feature of mixed farming. Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture was introduced by the Europeans in the tropical and subtropical regions. The farms, called estates, are very large. Efficient and scientific methods are used. Cheap and skilled labor and huge capital investments are required. Mostly, a single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, banana, spices, and cotton is grown. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is practiced mainly near the big cities, where people do not have time and space for cattle rearing. Dairy farms need a large labor force to look after the cattle. At present, machines are widely used for milking, feeding, and cleaning the cattle.